Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul. Big haul from the Dollar Tree, a whole bunch of stuff. Mitch Max is a couple hauls, so just gonna jump right in. Some of it's craft and some of it's not craft related. I got 2 packs of the cups for extra summer guests. Some minced onion. I got 2 sets of these little cups, and I use these to put like my confetti mix in there. Some red ribbon. It has a little bit of glitter in it, and it should be is that satin ribbon. I picked up this jewelry hanger. I don't know how many holes in it, but anyway, you can put your scarves on it and your earrings and bracelets and necklaces. I found this little tassel, and this is in the pewter, kind of like a pewter gold. Some little chatter socks. And I got some, I guess they're toothpicks. Some paper straws. This is the little mermaid, just a little holder, and it has the little mermaid glitter on the front. You can put that with anything in it. A little sachet for some smells. Scotch tape. I haven't tried these, but I thought I was going to try these out. These are the covertures. There's 20 of them, different sizes, just to cover your bowls, like the clings. I don't know how well they cling. We'll have to see how these work. Oh, so it's got elastic in them. So like a hairnet for your food. But you know, like when you have the summer cookout and stuff like that. Not for the 4th of July, some things coming up. You can use these to cover food that's on the outside. This Bible Hunt search word. Some bubble wrap for mailing. A little decorative pen. Some liquid adhesive glue. This little magnet says glamorous. This journal that says faith, hope, and love. Faith, hope, and love. 3-pack of the white gift bags to be altered. And envelope. And drop stuff all over the floor. Like I said, not everything is crappy. The little spoons to use with my little mix for my sequins. A little mini one, hardware storage cover to alter. Some of the shreds, the 4 shreds, and I believe I have 3 of those, again for packing some stuff. 2 tissue paper sets. These are also good for making your confetti out of. Some felt sheets, a different scent, some gross grain red ribbon, gotta get my red, some pom-poms, this for my grandson, you know, the ones you smack and you make the bubble, the 4th of July ones, and make the balloon come out just so he can pop it. Another pair of scissors, some of these beads for packing. And what else? Some of the rose petals. 3 packs of those. Also use them in packing. Some foam tape. Baby wipes, use them in my room. Here's some other seasoning, some garlic pepper. Some glitter. And trying to hurry up because my battery's going dead. 2 sets of buttons, and I think actually from the Dollar Tree. That might be everything. I'm hoping this. Yes. So anyway, I had to do that quick because I didn't want my battery to go out. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing and liking, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.